How do you place irrational numbers on a number line? Well, first of all, we have a number line here from 0 to 10. Your first mission is to figure out the perfect square of the numbers. We know that 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and the square root of 1 is placed here. The square root of 2, when we multiply 2 times 2, we get 4. 3 times 3 would be 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. And 10 times 10, 100. Let's go back here and get this 0. So that would be the square root of 0. So we have placed our square roots over our numbers. And now if we want to find the square root of 8, we know, or we can see, that the square root of 8 is between the square root of 4 and 9. Now, since it's closer to 9, here would be our point. So the square root of 8 is between the square root of 4 and 9, and it's closer to 9, so we place our point closer to 3. Now, the square root of 30. We see that the square root of 30 falls between the square root of 25 and the square root of 36. We know that the square root of 30 is closer to the square root of 36 because it's closer to the square root of 25 because there's only 5 difference. In the square root of 36, there's 6 difference. So it's just a little bit below the halfway mark. So we put our point here. So the square root of 30 falls between the square root of 25 and 36. The square root of 36. Your challenge. Place the following numbers on a number line. The square root of 33, the square root of 49, the square root of 86, and the square root of 67. Hope that you have fun placing these irrational numbers on the number line. If you have questions, please, when you come into classroom, please address your concerns, and I hope that you have a good time placing these numbers on the number line.